Hello everyone, so if you want to enable or disable TalkBack on your Xiaomi 14T Pro, you're to open up your settings, scroll down to your additional settings. Now press Accessibility and choose your Vision tab. Choose your TalkBack option and tap on the switch to enable it. Press Allow.
TalkBack on. Welcome to TalkBack.
Alright, and we've got our TalkBack enabled. So to navigate through it, simply choose an option, for example, Next, and tap on it twice. Alright, now let's finish this tutorial. If you want to, you can go through it by yourself. Alright, press Allow. Now, if you want to turn off your TalkBack, open up your settings, open up your TalkBack option in your Accessibility and Vision tab, as I just did at the previous part of the video. Find your switch near Use TalkBack, tap on it, now tap twice, tap Stop, tap twice on the Stop, and basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.